Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create motion blur using adjustment layers in Adobe Premiere Pro, making it easy to apply this effect to multiple clips simultaneously. First, import your footage into the video layer by dragging it onto the timeline. To create an adjustment layer, go to the Project panel, click the New Item button, and select Adjustment Layer. Click Oklahoma when the dialog box appears. If you want to apply motion blur, drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline, placing it above the clips. In the Effects panel, search for the Transform effect. Drag and drop the Transform effect onto the adjustment layer on the timeline. In the Effects Controls panel, uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle and increase the shutter angle to around 180 degrees. This will add a smooth motion blur to all the clips beneath the adjustment layer. Animate the adjustment layer by setting keyframes for properties like position or scale. Motion blur will be added to all underlying clips as the adjustment layer moves or scales. I will set something for each of the videos through the adjustment layer. For the first video, I will set the scale from 100% to 200% and back to 100% with 10 frames apart to create a zoom effect with motion blur. In the second video, I will slightly change position multiple times to create a camera shake effect. For the third, I will change the rotation from 0 to 360 degrees with 10 frames apart. Preview your footage to see the motion blur effect. Adjust the shutter angle or refine the keyframes to achieve the desired look if needed. And that's how you create motion blur using adjustment layers in Adobe Premiere Pro.